C++ programming step-by-step from beginner to ultimate level. Requirements: C++ compiler and IDE, like CodeBlocks, DVC++, Eclipse etc. No programming knowledge required. Access to a computer running Windows, Mac OS X or Linux. Course will cover C++ programming concepts in detail, you don't need to worry about basics. Description: this is specially designed course to cover C++ from very basic to ultimate level. You may be new to programming or you have already studied and implemented programming but still you feel that you need to learn more deep about C++ programming in detail. So what are you looking for? Take this course today. This course covers C++ from very basic to more advanced features. Maybe you have some experience with other programming languages but want to learn C. It's a great language to add to your resume. The object-oriented programming concepts are clearly explained. You will learn classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, operator overloading, data structure, pointer, file handling, dynamic memory allocation, recursion, apart from basic programming concepts like variables, branching and looping, functions, reference parameters, arrays, string, vectors. Hands on the real-life project in C++. Fundamentals of machine learning, Hindi, Python. Requirements: for machine learning concept, no prerequisite. Anyone can do this course. Prior understanding of Python is required with know how to operate Spider, Jupyter Notebook for coding. After completing this course, you can connect to me on my blog for any question. Urdu speaking people can do this course as well. Description: this course is designed to understand basic concept of machine learning. Anyone can opt for this course. No prior understanding of machine learning is required. Now question is, why this course? This course will not only teach you the basics of machine learning and simple linear regression. It will also cover in-depth mathematical explanation of cost function and use of gradient descent for simple linear regression. Understanding these is must for a solid foundation before entering into machine learning world. This foundation will help you to understand all other algorithms and mathematics behind it. Automated multiple face recognition AI using Python. Requirements: basics of Python programming. Description: hello, welcome to the amazing world of computer vision. Computer vision is an AI-based, that is, artificial intelligence-based technology that allows computers to understand and label images. It's now used in convenience stores, driverless car testing, security access mechanisms, policing and investigations, surveillance, daily medical diagnosis, monitoring health of crops and livestock, and so on and so forth. Even to analyze data coming from outer space, stars, planets etc. also we use computer vision. MERN Stack Master Course, building your own Instagram. Requirements: basics of React and Node.js. Description: MERN stands for Mingood, Express, JS, React, JS and Node.js, and combined, these four technologies allow you to build amazing web applications. In this course we will be building full-fledged Instagram website and it will be a lots of fun as we building this together. Java programming, complete beginner to advance. Requirements: no previous programming knowledge is required. All the tools needed are free to install. Willingness to learn. Description: would you like to learn real-world programming skills that will help you get your first Java programming job? Java is one of the most popular programming languages used to create web applications and platforms. It was designed for flexibility, allowing developers to write code that would run on any machine. So it's your time now to take advantage of loads of jobs and freelance opportunities that are available for Java programmers out there. This course is provided by Coding Academy instructors who are Oracle certified professionals with many years experience in Java programming. Automate the boring stuff with Python programming. Requirements: no programming experience is required. Downloading and installing Python is covered at the start of the course. Basic computer skills, surfing websites, running programs, saving and opening documents, etc. Description: if you're an office worker, student, administrator, or just want to become more productive with your computer, programming will allow you write code that can automate tedious tasks. This course follows the popular and free book Automate the Boring Stuff with Python. Automate the Boring Stuff with Python was written for people who want to get up to speed writing small programs that do practical tasks as soon as possible. You don't need to know sorting algorithms or object-oriented programming, so this course skips all the computer science and concentrates on writing code that gets stuff done. MBA full course Business Strategy and Entrepreneurship. Requirements. A fresh mindset and curiosity of learning is more than enough. Description. In India, an average MBA costs you more than 10 lakh rupees and the majority of the people can't afford that. I myself spent years and lakhs of rupees on doing an MBA. But I don't want other people to lack management education due to financial constraints. This full MBA course will cover all the concepts and knowledge of around 30 books in the MBA, taking from marketing, operation, finance and human resource with the integration of various platforms and new trends. This course will help you to develop a business strategy for your startup or small business, and hence it is the perfect amalgamation of entrepreneurship and startup. This course has 6 modules and every module is unique in itself and packed full of knowledge. Complete SQL Bootcamp with MySQL, PHP and Python. Requirements. No prior knowledge or expertise required. Description. By completing this course, you will be able to read and write basic and complex SQL queries using MySQL. This course gives you hands-on and practical experience on the world's most popular RDBMS databases like MySQL. These skills are also applicable to any other RDBMS databases, like Oracle, MS SQL Server, SQLite, etc. You will do several practical projects with MySQL, PHP and Python. Learning both SQL is one of the fastest ways to improve your career. Hope this course will be used as a helping hand for your prospective career. Please dig on free preview videos for more information. Winning communication skills for telephone conference calls. Requirements. You need a phone and voicemail. Description. Communication skills, telephone skills in the workplace are essential for business success. Conference calls, client updates, Skype, Zoom video meetings, and even job interviews are all conducted through the help of telephones and smartphones. In a digital era filled with endless emails and social media posts, the live human voice remains a singular power. Are you and members of your team using the telephone for maximum business success? Do you have baby boomers in your organization who are afraid of Skype video and Apple FaceTime and are slow to text clients and customers who may be millennials? Do you have millennials on your team who don't realize that baby boomers expect their calls answered and their voicemails returned? This course is for anyone on your team who uses a telephone and for everyone who wants to increase their communications and business successes with customers, clients, prospects, colleagues, investors, and bosses. XML and XSD, a complete W3C content-based course plus 1 hours. Requirements. If you want to practice, you should have a clip site installed on your PC or notebook. But you can just watch the theory and practical lectures at any device with internet access in case you have no computer available at that moment. No programming languages or frameworks are required for this course. No silly or useless tests will be imposed onto you. You will know you got the content right when you implement your own code and test it successfully, as done at our practical lectures. Simple as that and with no pressure. Description. You will learn all the theory about how to use XML language correctly, as well as all about its general and specific syntaxes according to the World Wide Web Consortium, W3C official recommendations. You will learn all the practice about how to code your XML files, using the elements, attributes and types, default and custom ones, from the referred XSD schemas, as well as how to test the correctness and validation of your XML instances against their referred XSD docs using a clip-side automation. You will adventure into the complete theory background about how to create your own XSD schema documents and master the details about XSD general and specific syntaxes according to W3C official specifications.